Alright guys, appreciate you checking out another video. As you can see today, I have a couple of cases for your S24 Ultra. It's from a company called Humix. Alright, I picked these up on Amazon. I will be dropping a link below. I picked these up because I like these colors. They really pop. And they kind of have a spring and summer feel to it. So this is give you a couple options for carrying or protecting your S24 Ultra going into the spring and summer season. All right, so we're gonna check out this is like a sunset yellow orange, I guess. All right, and they all gonna fit pretty much the same. Again, I do have lens covers over my have covers over my lenses, so it's gonna be a little bulk on the cases, but there are lens covers built into the case. I'll show you later in this video. As you can see, it's MagSafe ready. The magnet is not that strong, but I'll let you be the judge for it. I'll also test that out toward the end of this video. Okay, we're gonna switch over into another color. This is a cool like a purple kind of going into blue fade. Really cool color. Definitely make your phone stand out. Right, nice. And on the side there, the two dots is if you want to add a lanyard, or the two holes on the right hand side, you can add a lanyard to it as well. It's my beautiful wife again. MagSafe, lens cover, real sleek and smooth. All the cutouts wide open. I had no problem getting to my S Pen or plugging in the charger. All right, this is more like a I don't know. To describe the color, like a cream or a strawberry almost. And I did a side-by-side comparison so you can see the actual color contrast difference. All right, pops on nice and easy, real nice. Again, love the feel of this case. Wasn't too slick, had just the right amount of grip. You worry about your phone falling out your hand, slipping out your hand. Right. And here's where I tested the MagSafe. Here's my MagSafe charger. Snaps right on. Turn it on. Let's see if it's charging. Flip it over. Bam. It works. It works. Real easy. So that's a bonus. And I don't have the fastest charger. There are fastest chargers out there. I wanted y'all to see that there. And as you can see, the magnet is not that strong on the cases. That's the cases. The magnet is not that strong. All right, but it works. So just don't be shaking your phone all willy-nilly or whatnot. And last but not least, we're trying out another color. This is like a green to, I don't know, ocean water. Again, really cool color. Pops out. All right. Fits snug every time. Real sleek. There's your buttons, your cutouts. Real nice. I like these. I paid 21 bucks for them. 21, 19 bucks. I don't know why they were different prices. But as you can see all the colors, appreciate you watching.